How to get nails in Township. In Township, nails are one of the essential building materials used to upgrade community buildings and expand your town. So here's a guide how you can get nails. So in order to get nails, here you can go to barn and then you can see there as upgrading materials those nails are required. So first of all, you must make sure you reach to the town level 5 that where I'm not. So first of all, we also make sure that we reach to town level 5 and then you'll be able to upgrade or receive those nails. And then nails primarily come from those train, of course, train delivery. Of course, you must be at level town of 5. So now upgrade the train capacity so you can send more goods for better rewards, and then once you send you'll get nails for exchange. Also airplane crates sometimes. Also at level 60 plus you'll be available with tool exchange. So once unlocked, the tool exchange allows you to trade other materials for specific building supplies. Also, you can also go ahead and make the market purchases in this game. If you once unlock the township market in your town square, sometimes nails are available for coin or township cash. So check daily stocks that refreshes periodically. Also go ahead and then go to these events like this. Here sometimes you will be given with the task that contains the nails as reward, so keep on completing those available tasks. Also house of lock are the different kinds of event that will be available occasionally. You'll get nails or other building materials through them. Also mine and treasure chest, digging in the mine may yield chest that includes nails as well. So that was your pretty much ways to get nails. Or and that's for the video. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.